Okay, so I am doing a haunted house for Boy Scouts, and I am going to turn these poles into a spaceship, hopefully. So I got 2 poles and I got some spray paint. I only got 2 things of spray paint and 1 silver, so I'm hoping 2 things of spray paint are good for 2 poles. I have 3 poles, but I'm going to only use 2. So yeah, I'm going to spray paint those. I'm only going to spray paint the outside. So yeah, let's spray paint them. Okay, one spray painted. And we'll get this other one done. It is freezing out here. So okay, so my husband glued these 2 together, and I got these noodles, and I'm cutting them actually in half, and they fit pretty much perfect around here to cover that up. So I think it's going to take 3 to cover the other side up. So I don't know, we'll see. Okay, that actually worked out pretty good. I ended up using 2 noodles and just a little bit of the third one. I have some orange lights. We're going to end up putting some screws on here and wrapping them around on here. My husband's going to end up helping me, so we're going to do that next. Okay, we've got all the orange lights on. I'm taking bubble wrap and clear lights.